All right, hey there friends, my name is Scott, this is Tech Talk, and today we are going to be resetting this Galaxy S8 to factory default settings. Stick around, that's coming up right now. Okay, so we're looking at this Galaxy S8, and again, I apologize for not doing a proper screen capture. It's actually easy because this phone is actually going to reset to do it this way with another phone. So what I'm going to do is actually go into the settings here. So we're just going to unlock this. Now to get to the reset settings, what you're actually going to do is go to your apps portion by swiping up if it's in that configuration. And then what we're going to do is actually just come over here and click on the settings. Now, once you're in the settings, you're going to be scrolling down and you're going to get to general management right here. We're going to click on that, and that's going to bring up a few different options, including the reset option. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And you can see from here we have a number of different opportunities or different things we can do. You can actually do a reset settings if you just want all the settings on your phone to go back to the default settings. Or what I'm going to be doing today is a factory data reset, meaning it's going to erase all the data and all the files, all the downloaded apps, and it's going to set this thing back to just like it was out of the factory. This is important because I actually just got this Galaxy S8. And I want to make sure that the person that sold it to me didn't put any kind of funny software or any kind of capture material that could be getting my personal information. So I'm going to go ahead and do the factory data reset. Again, it's going to tell you everything that it's going to do. It's in all of your pictures, all of your apps, all of your music. Everything is going to be gone. Backing everything up to Google, or if you have a Samsung account where you're backing up everything, is going to be the best way to make sure you don't lose any of your data. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and scroll up here, and you can see we get to that reset button, and I'm actually going to just tap on that. Now again, it's just making sure, hey, this can't be undone. So are you sure you want to do this? And yes, I am sure. And the phone is actually going to shut down, and it'll go through a reset. And when it comes back on, it'll be reset to all the factory settings. So I'm going to let it do its thing there, and we're going to come back when it's turned back on. Okay, as you can see, we are now back to the very beginning of a fresh install, and I can walk through the startup process. Again, that erasing data, that blue Android screen and the T-Mobile screen, those were on for each a couple minutes. So don't be nervous if it takes just a little bit of time here for the phone to actually restart. Yeah, I'm going to walk through the process of getting this started back up now and have a nice fresh install. Hope that helps, friends. If it has, hit that thumbs up button down at the bottom, as well as the subscribe button. We got a lot more Android tutorials, tips, and tricks that are going to be coming up really soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.